Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this series, Mind is Not a Trash Can, we delve into the depths of the human mind and spirit, guiding you towards self-awareness and growth. In the journey of life, our minds are like gardens, capable of bearing fruits of wisdom and peace. But oftentimes, they become cluttered with unwanted weeds. Among them, one of the most insidious is lust. Lust, the desire for intense physical gratification, can manifest in many forms, consuming our thoughts and clouding our judgment. From excessive consumption of explicit content to objectifying others, here are 5 common lusty behaviors. Lusty behavior number 1, pornography addiction. Losing hours to explicit material, and chasing an insatiable craving for stimulation is a dangerous lusty experience. Lusty behavior number 2, objectification. Reducing individuals to mere objects of desire, and disregarding their humanity can only be termed as the worst act. Lusty behavior number 3, infidelity. It is an issue when people seek physical satisfaction outside of committed relationships, betraying the trust of their partners. Lusty behavior number 4, obsessive fantasizing. Constantly indulging in unrealistic sexual fantasies, and disconnecting from reality, can only give temporary contentment or fulfillment. Lusty behavior number 5, casual hookups. It is just momentary satisfaction when people pursue fleeting encounters devoid of emotional connection, seeking instant gratification. An individual may lose empathy, and it may make them being looked up as a stone-cold person. But fear not, for every challenge, there's a path to transformation. Overcoming lust begins with acknowledging its presence and committing to reclaiming the purity of our minds. Here are 10 powerful steps to overcome lust. 1. Awareness. Recognize triggers and patterns of lustful behavior. 2. Mindfulness. Cultivate a present moment awareness to redirect thoughts. 3. Healthy boundaries. Establish clear boundaries in relationships and media consumption. 4. Self-reflection. Dive deep into introspection to understand underlying emotional needs. 5. Seek support. Confide in trusted friends or seek professional help if needed. 6. Physical activity. Channel excess energy into constructive outlets like exercise. 7. Practice gratitude. Focus on appreciating the beauty beyond physical desires. 8. Engage in creative pursuits. Channel creative energy into productive endeavors. 9. Spiritual practice. Find solace and guidance in spiritual teachings and practices. 10. Self-love. Embrace self-compassion and nurture a healthy relationship with oneself. Remember, you are not defined by your impulses. You possess the strength to transcend them. Repeat after me these affirmations. I am in control of my thoughts and desires. I respect myself and others as whole beings, not objects of desire. I choose love over lust in all my interactions. I am worthy of deep, meaningful connections. I find fulfillment in meaningful experiences rather than fleeting pleasures. I honor my commitments and remain faithful in my relationships. I embrace my sexuality with responsibility and respect. I am the master of my mind, not slave to my impulses. I choose to see the beauty in everyone beyond their physical appearance. I am guided by integrity and authenticity in all my actions. I nourish my mind, body, and soul with positivity and love. I release all unhealthy attachments and embrace freedom. I am whole and complete within myself. I trust in the divine wisdom that guides me towards purity of heart. I let go of all guilt and shame associated with past actions. I forgive myself for any mistakes and choose to grow from them. I am worthy of love and respect exactly as I am. I honor my body as a sacred vessel of life. I choose to focus on what truly matters in life. I attract healthy, loving relationships into my life. I am grateful for the abundance of love and joy in my life. I radiate positivity and attract positivity in return. I am resilient in the face of temptation, knowing my worth. I celebrate the beauty of intimacy and connection beyond physical desires. I am empowered to live a life of purpose and fulfillment. Well, thanks for watching. Remind yourself that you can embrace the journey of self-discovery, for within lies the power to transcend the chains of lust and reclaim the purity of your mind. Remember, your mind is not a dustbin. It's a sacred garden waiting to bloom.